Hello astrology lovers. In this video I will talk on my understanding about Padma Shri Priyanka Chopra using KCIL astrology. This very video happens to be a continuation of a video in which I rectified Padma Shri Priyanka Chopra's horoscope using some substantial events and experiences of her life. If you have not watched that video, then I request you to watch it by checking the link mentioned in the description box. So let's begin with Priyanka Chopra's birth details. Birth date and day 18th July 1980 to Sunday. Birth time 1:30 am rectified to 1 hours 25 minutes 53 seconds by me. Place of birth Jamshedpur, Jharkhand, India. Time zone and name plus 5:30 Indian Standard Time. Latitude 22 degrees 47 north. Longitude 86 degrees 12 west. Geocentric latitude 22 degrees 38 46.50 north. Nakshatra Rohini third quarter. Tithi Krishna Paksha Dwadashi. Anmash Khullar hourly 23 degrees 36 6.84 Source Astro Data Bank website. Ashish Seth writes details shared by a close friend of hers on phone to me in the year 2010. On the screen is planetary position table, Rashi chart, Cuspal position table and Bhav chart of Padma Shri Priyanka Chopra. Various learned astrologers have analyzed the horoscope of Priyanka Chopra but have failed to justify her achievements as per the strength of substantial planets like Sun, Saturn, Mars and Jupiter and placement of planets in a horoscope. For example, Sun is considered good for fame as Sun is connected to fame, and as per ancient astrology, Sun happens to be a fiery planet and Cancer happens to be a watery sign. Thus, it is believed that Sun feels uncomfortable in Cancer, and this can hinder a person from acquiring fame or attaining number one position. Also, Saturn and Mars are conjunct, and these two planets have opposing traits. Thus, it causes Graha Yuddha. So, a Graha Yuddha is happening in 5th house, and 5th house is connected to arts and creativity, and Priyanka Chopra has excelled in arts and creativity. Similarly, Jupiter is considered Karka of luck, and Jupiter is not considered to be Venus' friend, and its position in Libra and Lord of Libra is Venus. Jupiter is considered Dev Guru and Venus is considered Daitik Guru, and Jupiter's position in sign of Libra is generally not considered auspicious. Despite this, Priyanka Chopra attained success in films domestically and internationally at a very young age. She even became popular during her teens by winning Miss World. Her hard work, no doubt, matches excellence and brilliance of highest quality. Her efforts beautifully demonstrates her excellence in the field of arts and creativity. What I want you to wonder is that when Priyanka Chopra took birth, obviously many children took birth during that very time. We can be sure about few children to have taken birth a few minutes before or around that very time, or a few minutes after her birth. Those that took birth a few minutes prior or a few minutes later to the birth of Priyanka Chopra will also have similar Lagna chart. So I did a research to figure out if any person attained the same success that Priyanka Chopra attained, but I failed to figure out any one. Here I want you all to ponder why only one Priyanka Chopra during the ascendant that was rising at that very time. So here we need to accept the advanced systems of astrology, as without using advanced techniques We cannot understand a person's personality, past, present, and future, and without understanding it, we cannot guide anyone properly. This is the very reason I put so much efforts to rectify a horoscope, as without its rectification, we cannot do future predictions properly. So, after rectifying Priyanka Chopra's horoscope using her father's demise date, I was able to deduce this time, that's 1 hour, 25 minutes, and 53 seconds. And with this time, I attempt to analyze chart of Padma Shri Priyanka Chopra. I have made an attempt to analyze the chart using Shri S.P. Khullarji's Sub and Cuspal interlinks theory, with a view to understand what made Priyanka Chopra be so abundantly blessed to attain success with infinite heights. But before I go ahead, I thank Mr. Ashish Seth. Had it not been him, Astro Data Bank wouldn't have had Priyanka Chopra's birth details, and I wouldn't have been able to make this very video. Priyanka Chopra has done well in arts, creative, fashion, glamour industry. This can be noticed with Rashi Lord, Sublord, and Subsublord being Venus. As we know that Venus happens to be a feminine planet, also rising sign being Taurus. A feminine sign can boost up feminine traits in a woman. That's the reason she got the title Desi Girl and had portrayed herself perfectly as 12 different types of women in the film What's Your Rashi. Her boldness and courage can be justified by the fact Venus being in the star of Mars. So here Venus is in the star of Mars and in the star of Mrigashira. Mrigashira natives are usually thinly built with youthful delicate features, a smiley, jovial and light-hearted disposition and warm, gentle manners. Such traits helped her to win Miss World. Also, Mrigashira happens to be a prominent constellation that happens to be visible from all parts of the world and is one of the most conspicuous star formation in the night sky. Mrigashira is point where we follow, wherever our curiosity takes us, and that can be noticed by the fact that Priyanka Chopra attained global fame and worked in different genres of films domestically and internationally. Mrigashira's symbol is of a deer, and deer is a loving animal. It can be noticed that Priyanka Chopra's personality is a loving personality. She is rarely known to be ill-disposed with anyone. She is someone that has pleasant bond with most of the people that worked with her. Mrigashira can instill traits such as benevolence, charm, changeability, compassion, playfulness, and joyousness. Due to such traits, she was appointed as UNICEF's Goodwill Ambassador for Child Rights in 2010. She promotes various causes such as environment, health, and education, women empowerment, and women's rights, and has been particularly vocal regarding gender equality and gender equal pay. Venus in Mrigashira has made her objective to search for new mental, emotional, and physical experience, and this trait can make a person to be open regarding getting married to a man from another continent and settle in another country. Venus is positioned in an airy sign Gemini. Venus is positioned in Gemini, and such people can make plenty of dreams and can dream even during their daytime. Venus position in Gemini can make a person more youthful than normal and even diplomatic. They can be charming, enthusiastic, spontaneous types that enjoy meeting and relating with people. Such people, due to their charm, diplomacy, can easily get deals done in their favor and avoid conflicts. Such people dislike confrontations and therefore are very cautious regarding whom they mingle with, and we can notice such traits in Priyanka Chopra. They are good conversationalists, advisors, and enjoy all vocal activities like talking and singing. They have a poetic soul and enjoy beauty in both spoken and written forms of communication. Due to such traits, Priyanka Chopra has sung songs and even written her autobiography that we can notice as from third subsublord Saturn. Here, Saturn has positional status. Saturn has positional status and it involves 3, 9, 10, 11. So it appears in 3, then 10, 11, and it's in the star of moon, and moon appears in 9. So 3, 9, 10, 11, and commits with 2 and 6. Saturn's sublord is Venus. Venus appears in 2 as well as 6. In a chart, moon has positional status. So moon has positional status and it's positioned in Lagna. And Venus is in the star of Mrigashira. Lagna subsublord Venus is in the star of Mrigashira. This also relates to feminine aspect of nature. Thus she is too connected to feminine energy. Goddess Parvati is associated with this nakshatra, and as Goddess Parvati was known to have taken it too seriously about getting married to the best person during her era, similarly Priyanka Chopra entered wedlock with a reputed American wealthy singer, songwriter, actor, Mr. Nick Jonas, who has versatile qualities. Rather than getting married anyone in Bollywood or any one of her Bollywood co-stars whom she dated earlier. Moon in Lagna and Lagna subsublord Venus in Rashi of Gemini, and Lord of Gemini is Mercury. As legend goes, Mercury was produced out of the union of Moon with Jupiter's wife Tara. This can be interpreted as the birth of intellect, Mercury. As a result of the union of mind and wisdom, intellect is a concept which is more conscious force that governs over the largely unconscious mind. Such people take decisions with intelligence rather than with emotions, or in simple words, such people take decisions with mind and not with heart. Due to this, Priyanka Chopra was able to choose her projects intelligently, and due to her intelligent decisions, she won many awards like a National Award for Film Fashion, Padma Shri Award. She was even named as one of the 100 most influential people in the world by Times magazine in the year 2016 and 2019. Nevertheless, as Mercury was born illicitly and Lagna subsublord Venus is in the Rashi of Mercury, it can cause person to have affairs with a married person. That's the reason many years ago she was in negative news for her affairs with some married co-stars. Actress Isha Sharvani and actress Ada Sharma are highly considered fit actresses due to their flexibility and dancing skills. Actress Ada Sharma was once asked who happens to be the fittest actress in Bollywood industry, and her answer was Priyanka Chopra. She justified her point by stating that Priyanka Chopra used to make 2 trips to US in a week to do her international assignments and yet never used to get tired. Those that know Priyanka Chopra properly may know that she has been a hard-working actress, and we can notice it from her fitness. That's because Lagna subsublord Venus happens to be in the star of Mars, and Mars appears in 6th and 10th, and Venus, sublord and subsublord Venus appears in 2 and 6. So due to such links with 6 and 10, a person can be hardworking, and when Lagna subsublord makes link with 6 and 10, such people can be highly dedicated and focused. We cannot deny the fact that, of course, in India, there can be plenty of women more beautiful and hardworking than Priyanka Chopra, but fail to hold waters or attain success, especially between 2005 till 2015. But Priyanka Chopra rarely found any competition, and this can be due to the fact that Lagna Sapsab does not make any link with 8th cusp. So here Lagna Sapsab Mars, Venus is in the star of Mars. Mars does not appear in 8th, and Sublord and Subsublord Venus also does not appear in 8th. So here Lagna Subsublord does not make any link with 8th. Also 8th Subsublord Jupiter does not make any link with Lagna. Here 8th Subsublord is Jupiter, it's in the star of Rahu, and Rahu does not appear here, and so because 8th Subsublord does not make link with Lagna, it's a very good sign. So lucky are those in whose case Lagna Subsublord and does not make link with 8th, and 8th Subsublord also does not make link with Lagna. Such people struggle very less in life compared to others. Her Lagna rising nakshatra is Kritika. Here rising star is Sun, and Kritika's ruler is Sun, and it is connected to go ahead spirit, normally robust health, competitive mind, can get drawn to a married person, and such traits can be noticed in Priyanka Chopra. Kritika translates simply into one who cuts, or in a plural sense, cutters. Cutters here relates to a feminine aspect rather than a male aspect. Its main symbol is an axe, razor, or any sharp-edged instrument like a blade or knife. This symbolism obviously relates to its name, which implies cutting and penetration. All sharp instruments can be used for both constructive or destructive purposes. A knife, for example, can be used for cutting vegetables or hurting someone. In same way, Kritika's penetration can be used for cutting through superficial layers of mental or emotional or physical functioning. Due to such traits, it can cause a person to go under a knife to enhance her facial symmetry, and it is uncommon these days for celebrities to not have cosmetic surgeries. This nakshatra aims to get to root of any action or situation, and consequently it comes across all imperfections which often lie between apparent and real. This nakshatra does not tolerate imperfections because it sees them as obstacles in achieving its decidedly fixed goals. Such traits can compel an actress to get rid of any of her facial imperfections. She could earn a lot of money as second subsublord Jupiter involves 2, 6, 10, 11. Here Jupiter has positional status and in the star of Rahu. So Jupiter appears in 2, and Rahu represents Mercury. So Rahu in here, Jupiter also in 6, 2, 6, then 10, Jupiter appears here, and 11. So Jupiter involves 2, 6, 10, 11. As Rahu is sublord, so it becomes star, and Rahu is star and same, so Saturn will become sublord, and Saturn appears in 10 and 11. Also Saturn appears in 5th. Here it's supportive because she happens to be in the profession of arts and creativity. So Saturn appearing in 5th supports her to gain money through arts and creative field. Saturn has a position in 5th. Here it will not be considered negative to 2nd, although it's position 4th from 2nd. Her profession connected to arts, creativity, fashion, glamour, glitz is connected to 5th cusp. In her case, 5th Then 5th, 6th, 10 and 11, these the subsublord of these cusps happen to be Jupiter. So 5th is arts and creativity, 6th is service, 10th is the type of work that you do, and 11th is fulfillment of desire and fulfillment of ambition. Jupiter is in the star of Swati. Jupiter happens to be in Libra and in the star of Rahu and in the nakshatra of Swati. Swati, like Mirikshira, is a bright star and can be spotted by people living in bright light cities also. Swati appears in Libra, and Libra is a sign of balance. Or Libra is represented by a balance sign due to Swati nakshatra and this is due to Swati nakshatra because Swati is connected to balance. As Swati nakshatra happens to be the middlemost nakshatra with 30 nakshatra on either side. This can make Priyanka Chopra remain a balanced person with a smooth sailing personality. Swati nakshatra is connected to goddess Saraswati. That's the reason Priyanka Chopra was able to even sing songs because goddess Saraswati is connected to music and songs. Jupiter here is subsublord of 7 cusps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, and Jupiter being positioned in the nakshatra of Swati means too much influence of Swati nakshatra on her. Swati represents equilibrium point of everything. It represents midpoint of our lives, life of universe and everything that exists. It is midpoint between expansion and contraction. It is the point where universe stops expanding and begins contracting. It lies opposite Ashwini nakshatra, which can be seen as a big bang that created material universe. Conversely, Swati has a lot to do with balance. This averts Priyanka Chopra to avoid taking any stance on any political party or political problems. You must have noticed many celebrities criticize politicians and political decisions, whereas Priyanka Chopra has distanced herself away from such things. Maya element of Swati lies in its ability to adjust itself in any situation or circumstance without losing its essence. Its free, detached, observant quality makes it easy for it to scatter away any negative build-up on any level of being. Due to such adaptive traits, Priyanka Chopra has worked in different film industries like South Indian film industry, Hindi film industry and also American films. She attained massive fame due to 10th subsublord, that's Jupiter. It has position status and so it involves 10th and final confirmation with and commits with Saturn. Saturn also appears in 10 and 11. 11th is fulfillment of desire and ambition. So Jupiter involves 10 and 11 and commits with 10 and 11. And that can help a person acquire massive fame. Priyanka Chopra has extensively travelled to many places, and that we can notice from 12th subsublord Moon. Moon has position status, it involves 12 and commits with Ketu. Ketu is in 3rd because Ketu represents Venus and Jupiter, so Ketu in 3. Then Ketu in 9 also because Jupiter and Venus are here and Venus is here, so Ketu in 12. So it involves 12 and commits with 3, 9 and 12. And final confirmation with Venus, and Venus appears in 3 and 12. And this can make a person travel a lot. I can talk and talk on Priyanka Chopra as she appears to the world, but I can't talk what she feels from deep within. And to know that, you may read her autobiography titled Unfinished, that was launched this very year. penning it was can be understood from third subsublord Saturn. Saturn involves 3 as it has position status, then 11, and in the star of Moon, and Moon appears in 9. So Saturn involves 3, 9, 11, and commits with Venus. Venus appears in 3 and 9, and the final confirmation with 3, 9, 11, because K2 appears in 3 because it represents Jupiter and Venus. Here also K2 appears Jupiter, and here 3, 9, 11. So this can make a person write a book. So thank you so much for making to this end, and if you liked what I said, then please show it by giving a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel, as I will upload more videos on such topics. Also, if time permits you, then please watch my other videos. Also, if you have any question or queries, then please feel free to connect with me with the information mentioned in the description box. I wish you have a wonderful day and stay safe.